just about to install this package here onto a laptop so that I can use all the functions of the Linux kernel to work my 3D printers. It's called CAElinux 2013. It's actually an update from before 2000, well, after 2013, so it's not that old. And I've grabbed a thing called YUMI, Y-U-M-I, to install it onto a removable flash drive. So yeah, just I'm just saying anyway, if you need to get YAM, you need to go to, where is it? Yes, I'm being a bit buggy today. To this address here, which I'll try and link to the bottom of my video, and that will give you the latest version, which is January 14th 2018. If you're looking at this later than January, please just go to the website. It'll probably have updates. It's quite a good piece of software. You can make bootables for Linux, any Linux type distro mainly, and also some of the Windows operating system bootable for recovery. And there's a lot of rescue stuff on here as well, so it's very handy to have. The rescue stuff is fantastic. It's bulletproof, helps you fix things on Windows boxes. I used to use it all the time. And yeah, anyway, once I get this installed, I'm going to try and install it onto a laptop which I've got sitting there, a spare laptop, and from there I'll be able to use that to control my two printers down the shed. Well, I've got one printer at the moment, the other printer's away. And yeah, anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Also, there's no videos on these shows anymore because they demonetize all our YouTube channels. So it doesn't worry me, but yeah, I'm only doing this for fun. So if you leave a comment and you're really shitty about something, well, I might not get back to you, but I probably will. But it's not worth saying. If you're going to say something derogatory, I'm only doing this for myself and for people who need to know simple things. Anyway, thank you and bye for now, and please subscribe.